The first thing to do is to remove the space saving layer, which is there just to keep the file size down. So just go to the eye picker in your layers panel and unclick it, or you can just delete it, throwing it in the bin. You can change the color of the handle, the lid and the button, and you can also add your own designs with this mockup. I'll show you how to change the color of the button. You go to the layer panel again, click the down arrow, and here you'll see the button color. This is controlled by the properties, appearance and the fill, and there's its mask. So to change the color of the button, simply click the fill. You can either use one of your recently used colors or go to your color wheel. Depends how you set up in Photoshop, and then choose whatever color you like. And the same principle applies to the lid. Close that folder, open the lid folder, select this layer here, and you'll see again. If you don't see that, it should be in your Windows properties if you haven't got it open. So properties, fill color. Let's go for a red this time. Again, the same principle with the handle color. Hit the drop down, select that layer, change the fill, go to the color wheel, and that's how you control those three colors. Now the body has a smart object. If you double click the smart object, or if you go to Layer, Smart Objects, Edit Contents, you'll get the design. And here I've chosen a rectangle here for the color. You could switch that to anything you like. I'm going to keep it white. And then you've got your designs, which you can drop in by going to File, Place Embedded. And it's just a case of finding your design. See if I can find one. I think I've got my logo here. Nope. And then you just need to resize as you see fit, and then close this smart object and say yes to saving the changes. There you go, there's your design on the cup. Now there's an optional floor shadow that you can switch on and off. Probably doesn't make sense unless you've got a plain white background, which you can do here. So you can turn off the blanks, turn on the white. There you go, you've got a choice of backgrounds you can have and the shadow on and off. Also with the body there are some effects if you want to change them. You can change the level of the reflections. And same goes for shadow. If you want those shadows to be more prominent. And that's it, I think that's all there is to it.